Hey guys, another unboxing. I know third time today. So this is from JessupBeauty. They reached out to me on Instagram like a long time ago, like a month or so. I can't remember, but they just told me that they wanted to give me something. So I was like, okay, yeah, sure. So it's not a PR, I don't think. I don't know. The other unboxing that I did is not a PR either. They just gifted me the products, so I don't have a code or anything. But so this is how the box looks. Okay, the packaging is nice. Okay. Ooh, it's black. Wow. Okay. Let's see. The first thing, oh, it's a beauty sponge. It's a cool one. I've never seen a sponge with this type of shape before. I have a lot of sponges. I don't really use them, but it's good to have them in handy. Okay. Oh, this is what I'm excited for. It's a wet and dry brush cleanser. No, cleaner. Because I just wash my brushes with my hand, and I've always wanted to try this. So, wow, I'm excited to use this probably today or tomorrow. And the last thing are the brushes. So, let me open up the plastic right now. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm gonna open this now. Okay, so already took off the plastic, and these are all the brushes. They're black and it looks like a brown hair brush. I don't know if they're synthetic or I forgot the other type, but okay, so this is like a spoolie one, like a powder one. It's a shadow. I don't know. Let me show them individually. This one, and they do have numbers, so I'm not gonna name them all, but okay, this is like a face one, another face one, and a shadow one, or for contouring your nose. Oops, I didn't wash them, but oh well. So, and then this is another shadow brush, another shadow, like for eyeliner or shadow, I don't know, face highlighter maybe, shadow or face shadow. Okay, I'm gonna use these a lot, the shadow ones. I don't really use face brushes that much, but okay. The next one, and they're really soft, so wow, they're really nice. They're great quality. And the last three are these. Wow, look, they're soft. So yeah, they're really nice, and yeah, I can't wait to use them. And thanks for watching. Bye.